Now, here's how you can share location on your iPad. So the easiest way to do this is by locating the Find My application. This is an app which is available on all of the Apple devices, so it is most definitely part of your iPad as well. You get inside and it is a place like a map where you can track the location of your devices, items, which is for AirTag, and also people. So if you click on the people option, you have the ability to start sharing location. So you can tap on that and from the list, basically pick and search out the contact that you have saved in your contacts application, and you can share your location with that person. Keep in mind that this works with Apple devices only, as we are using the Apple's network. So if you want to share it with someone who has an iPhone, then you can go ahead and do it. But if not, you will need to use some sort of third-party application for it, right? So you can, for example, get the WhatsApp, which has recently been available or made available for the iPad as well. And there, most people have an account. So you can go to WhatsApp and essentially just share the location in a chat. Right there, you can make just the current location to be shared or even live location. So you can move and it will also be shared with that other person. So that's how it works. These are the most common or popular ways how you can share location. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know below in the comments if it worked, and I'll catch you later.